G'day everyone, just wanted to make a quick little video to show you one of my other cars. This old little Corolla that I've had sitting here for probably about 2.5 years now, not really doing much of anything. This was actually my first car that was properly mine. I've had this for about 10 years now. I think I probably put about 200,000 Ks on it over the time that I've had it. It's been incredibly reliable, but it did sort of started playing up right around the time when I got the Rodeo on the road and couldn't really justify the cost of keeping two vehicles on the road, so this one just got parked up. But I have plans, and the plan soon, I'm actually going to get started on this. I want to completely strip it all down and clear all the rust out of it and restore it to its former glory and beyond. I've got some overly ambitious plans, but we'll see how it all plays out. It's worth a go. But I like to start it up every now and then just to, make sure it still starts and runs, so I thought I'd bring you lot along this time. So it might take a little bit of convincing, but it will start. Fingers crossed. So I guess we'll go get a battery and chuck it on in and see what we can do. A little bit grubby in here, but not too bad considering how long it's been sitting. This thing hasn't run in probably 3 or 4 months now, so I've been slack, but we'll soon change that. I had to extend the earth terminal once upon a time because me, in my infinite wisdom, managed to buy a battery with the terminals on the wrong sides. So the original battery in this thing's pretty rooted, which is why I've got a second battery, which came out of the Rodeo, which is also pretty rooted. But hopefully they will combine to create one functioning battery. Got some liquid encouragement for it. And a remote starter button. It should just go. Onto the starter like that. And that's just got to go there. Alright, let's see what's going to happen. both of those batteries are pretty rooted, unfortunately. Oh well, Rodeo to the rescue, I think. All right, take two. There we go, now we're making progress. That didn't last long. The Roller deserves a run every now and then. Look at this! It still lives! You cannot kill a Corolla. It's just scientifically not possible. It's not to say that they don't have issues sometimes, but this is by far the most reliable car I've ever had to worry about. There you have it. This is my future project car, which is hopefully not too distant future. I've just got a motorcycle to knock out first, and then I can finally get to work on this bad boy. Do you know what I think? I think this thing deserves a wash. A good old bath. First I'm going to move that Rodeo. This will need jump starting otherwise, but, well, it will need jump starting, but you know what I mean. Oh, that's pretty productive. Nice and clean again before I park it up for a while. I was surprised at how easily that started once it had spark again. Nah, not really. It always starts like that, just boom. Can't kill a Corolla. There's a lot of work in this thing's future though. She's still pretty clean inside, but it's bits like that that scare me. And that's not even the worst of it. She's going to come all the way down to bare metal. There's going to be a lot of welding. Yeah, most sensible people would just toss it, but I am not exactly sensible. I quite like my Corolla, so I'm going to keep it. And I've seen people restore worse things, so it can't be that hard. It's just one of those things where I'm hoping a lot of patience and hard work will pay off. Hopefully. I think now we'll take it for another quick spin down the end of the street and park it up, and that'll do for today. Beautiful.